Hello all, I am Jairam. In a series of providing video sessions on C program language, in my last session I have discussed about what are the different types of control statements are available in C program language. If you want that session, please subscribe my channel and like my channel for more videos. Please subscribe my channel Jairam Tullapati and like my channel for more videos. In this session now I am going to discuss about what are the different types of control structures. Control structures are available in C program language. So let's start the session with the definition of control structures. Here what is definition? So we have there while writing the program of code or while writing the executing the program, we echoed some different types of situations. So there is a situation when a block of code needs to be executed at that time that block is code needs to be executed several number of times. That's why in that cases we use the control structures. So in order to execute the different types of statements which are included in blocks, so you have to there is a need for us to execute those block of state number of times. In that cases we need these control structures. So here these are the different types of many number of control structures are available. So next one is the next point. Try to understand next point here. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statement. That means we have defined the number of statements which are included in a block. So that's why as soon as the condition false, as soon as the condition is true, the block repeats until the condition become false though. So there is a need for us to execute the several number of statements number of times based on our condition is true or false. So this is the need of control structures in C program language. Let's understand the above 2 points with the help of our flow diagram. I have written in the flow diagram here. Let's see the understand here. In diamond shaped box I have written the condition here. As soon as there is condition is, if the condition is true, then the control goes to the particular block where the statements are written under the true statement and executed the conditions are written under those true statement and executed those statements until the condition is false. So here you can observe the here it is formed as a square. That's why here as soon as the condition is true, as soon as the condition is false, then only it goes out from this, the cursor goes out from this block only. Until now the cursor is here in this block only and executed those number of statements, as many statements as in this true block, and executed continuously without stopping. As soon as whenever the condition is become false, then cursor goes to cursor becomes exit from that block. So this is the brief discussion about the control structures in C program language. We have different types of control structures are available. So let's see each one. So here we have the 4 different types of control structures are available. First one is the while control structure, next one is the for, next one is the do while, and next one is the nested. So what is the while control structure? Here while using the while control structure, so if we want to repeat a statement or group of statement while given condition is, as soon as it does the condition before the executing the loop body, that's when by using the control statement is one to control structure. By using this control structure we have written a condition. Based on this condition the loop executed continuously. First of all it check the condition. If the condition is true, then the loop executed. Otherwise the loop is not executed. Next one is the for loop. Here the same execute a sequence number of statement multiple times. Abbreviations the code manage the loop variable. Here in loop variable we have to write the 2 different types of statements. As soon as the 2 different statements are true or different statements are executed, then the loop continues until the statements are written in the loop for variable become false. Next one is the do while variable. Here too it is more like a while statement, but in the while statement first the compiler check the condition. If the condition is true, then execute a block of statements. Whereas in do while control structure it checks it executes the statements at last. It check the condition and executed the program thoroughly. This is the importance of do while loop, and this is one type of control structure in C language. Next one is a nested loop. So we can write any number of nested loops, nested while loops and nested for loops and nested do while loops. We can write as many as we can. So this is also one part of the control structures. So these are the different types of control structures are available. So let us discuss each of these about each of these in detail. So first of all let's discuss about the while loop control structure. Here what is my while loop control structure? Here while loop control structure we have we have expression called Boolean expression. Here based on that condition, based on the expression, if that condition is true, the loop can repeated continuously until it gets an error, until it gets as soon as the condition become false, the cursor goes to output from that block and gives that execution and stop that loop continuation. Here you can observe the syntax of the while loop. Here you can observe the while. I am using the while keyword and taking some condition. Based on that condition, I am executing the different types of statements are written under those while block. Here you can observe this while loop. Let us consider this flow diagram by to discuss about the in detail about while loop here. So let us discuss flow diagram. Here the first loop condition statement. As soon as the condition is true, then it executed the statement continuously without taking any much of time and without taking any much time. The loop continues until it becomes false. So as soon as if the condition is true, then the cursor enter the code block and executed the different types of statements written under those condition and executed those statements. And then after the if the condition become false, as soon as the condition become false, then the cursor goes out of that condition block and simply exit. So this is about the while loop, and this is the flow diagram, and this is about while the condition. These are the syntax of the while loop. So let's understand while loop in detail with the help of small program. I have written a program on while loop in C language. Here I have written a two type of header files. One is the stdio.h and conio.h. These are the two different types of header files. Next, the main method. I have written a main method where every program starts from main method only. In next, here I am initialized a variable called a. That means here I am initializing a variable of integer type a and assign 10 value to it. Next I am condition here the condition, here the while loop exists. Here I written the keyword while loop. Here the while loop check the condition. If the condition is true or not, here I am taking the condition as a less than 20. Here I have already initialized a value as 10, and here a 10 value comes here and 10 less than 20. You check the condition if the true or not. A 10 less than 20 condition is true, and the cursor goes to the printf statement and execute that the value of a is 10 less than 20. The condition is true, then print the a. That's why here print the value of a equal to 10. You can clearly observe from the right side of the screen, value of a is 10 printed as first line of output on right side of my program. Next the cursor goes to the second statement, that is a plus plus. That means the value is incremented to 11. Next again the cursor goes to this while condition and checks the condition 11. Now the a value is 11. Why? Because it incremented a plus plus after the printf statement. Now the compiler check the condition 11 less than 20. Yes, 11 less than 20 condition is true. Then cursor again goes to this printf block, printf statement, and execute the printf statement. As you can see on output on the right side of your program, here value of a is printed as 11, and again a is incremented. Then the cursor again back to that while block. Now the a value is 12 less than 20. The condition is true. Again the cursor goes to printf statement and print the a value a 12 to it. So this is the way, and this is the use of while block, and this is the way, this is the cursor, this is the compiler does well condition is true. As soon as the condition is true, it executed the different types of statement. Number of statement are written under the while block. So these are the different types of statement, and as soon as the condition for suppose a less than 20, that means a value printed up to 19, because 20 less than 20 condition fails. That's why the cursor quits from the while block and simply quits. So this is the way, this is the program. I am clearly observed. You can clearly understand the while loop here. I am just printing the values between 10 and 20 with the help of while loop by putting a condition and by passing an argument as a less than 20 as my condition. As the condition is true, the compiler executed, the compiler printed the values between 10 and 20. You can clearly observe from the output. Let's understand the program and observe the output. Once you can easily understand the what is meant by while loop, what is the use of while loop, why we can use while loop in the control structures, and this is one of the main used and often used control structures in any of the program language. These are the base ones. So try to understand the while loop, and with the help of program, with the help of output. Here I also given the syntax and the flow diagram. So this is about the while loop in C program language. So in next class I am going to discuss about the what is meant by what is the syntax of for loop, and what is the syntax of program, simple program, and for loop, and next one do while and nested loop. I am discussing these topics in my upcoming session. If you are like my way of explanation and like my discussion, and try to like my channel and subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you all for watching, and thank you one and all.
సాయంత్రానికి విజయవాడ వస్తా ఉన్నారు, రావచ్చు అని చెప్పేవాడు. అది సంగతి. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ 2 గంటలు అయింది, అది కూడా గంటన్నర.